Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Madison Olivia and today we are going to be pickling okra. I know this is a strange video idea, but my boyfriend was telling me about how good it is, right? Yeah?
Absolutely, yeah.
And my two friends who are my roommates also told me that it is phenomenal, so we thought we should make some and let everyone try it. So we're going to record our whole process of making it, and I will show you kind of the end result at the end of the video, and I hope you guys enjoy watching. Thanks for coming back to my channel, and thanks if you're new. You should try subscribing. Please like, comment, ring the bell if you want to see future uploads, and enjoy. Bye. And I thought I would quickly mention our recipe. We found one from tasteofhome.com for pickling okra, and it's basically just garlic, cloves, salt, white vinegar, apple cider vinegar, sugar, red pepper flakes, mustard seed, and water. We are gonna add some chopped up habanero peppers to ours, and so that is our recipe. We had to multiply it by 3.5 because we got so much okra. So I don't know what we were thinking, but we are going to make a lot of pickled okra. Very fun. Okay, let's see. Hopefully this is delicious. Okay, so we just prepped all the vegetables. We chopped up the habanero peppers and put them in the jars. And then we have the okra over here in the strainer with a bunch of salt on it to get the extra moisture off of it per the directions. And now we're getting all the liquids we need to boil in the pot, and we have all of our ingredients that we'll need right here to make it easier on us. But yeah, vinegar, we need how much vinegar?
3.5 cups.
3.5 cups of white vinegar. I don't know if the ratio matters or not.
Vinegar.
They're brining. Is it like baking where the
Probably not.
measurements need to be super accurate?
1.75
Yeah,
cups.
probably not. Like we just don't even know.
Yeah.
That's great. All right, just mixing this up a little bit. There's that stuff in the bottom. Okay. How much?
1.75.
Wow. All right, what else?
Stinky.
Yeah, it's
Sugar.
Sugar. All right, sugar is in. What else do we need to put in there?
Red pepper flakes.
All of them?
Yep. Mustard seed.
All of them? Mm-hmm. Red pepper, mustard seeds.
And water. 7 tablespoons of water.
Yep, it's right here.
There we go.
All right, and
Now we bring
what
it
about
to
the garlic and the salt?
That's after, we put that in after.
Okay. So this is the solution that we need to boil. So we got the mixture boiling, so now we need to bring it to a simmer. So we're just gonna turn it down, and hopefully it starts to simmer soon. But that's quite the boil. Anyway, smells like very vinegary in here, but looks like it's gonna be quite spicy, especially with those habanero peppers. So I just added the garlic to each of the jars, then I'm going to add a even amount of the salt into each of the jars. Okay. And hope that works out.
Ta-da.
Ta-da! Now we're just waiting on the liquid we boiled to cool down, and we will be good to go. So what to do is pour this spicy mixture into each one of these. So this is how they turned out. We did do a taste test last night. Excuse that, that's my dishwasher. But they turned out absolutely amazing. I really do recommend them. I had never had a pickled okra before, but these were so good. So yeah, this is what the full jar looks like after the 48 hours. It's actually been 36 or so now, or not 36, more than 48 now, 3 days now. Oh my gosh, sorry, it's the morning. But we ate these last night and they were amazing, so I definitely recommend trying this at home sometime. Alright, so we finished the pickling of the okra. I showed you the final result. It ended up being delicious, phenomenal flavor. I had no idea what to expect, but I'm very glad that we experimented and did the pickling the other day. If you guys like pickles, anything sour, vinegary, kombucha, anything like that, you will thoroughly enjoy the crunchy, spicy deliciousness that is pickled okra. Of course, you can make it as spicy as you want, more spicy if you like that thing. You can add less spices if you don't. But anyway, it's a fun little activity. It did not take us long at all. We just grabbed the items while we're at the store, and that's about it. Put it together in about 10 minutes. I hope everyone has a good week, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.